Hello students, today the topic that we have picked for square and square root is distributive law, diagonal method for finding the squares and repeated subtraction method. So one by one we will understand that how can we get the square of any number. So first is distributive law. Using distributive law, find the square of 72. So 72 is pretty estimated to 70. So we can better write 70 plus 2 whole square. Why? This expression, do you remember that there is one of the algebraic identities already taught in class 7. Algebraic identities say that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If I am expressing 72 as a 70 plus 2, that means a equal to 70, b equal to 2. So by using this formula, okay, we can write a equal to 70, b equal to 2. So a square, that means 70 square plus 2 a b. These dots means multiplications plus b square. B is 2, so 2 square. So square of 70 is 4900, and the product of these three, 2 7 ja 14, 2 ja 28, and this 0, so 280 plus 2 square means 4. By adding them up we are getting 5184. So this is the square of 72. In the second question, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So one of the properties I have already discussed in square and square root in the last video, that sum of odd numbers is equal to n square. So student, 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd. Alright. So 1 plus 3 plus 5, this gives you 9. So these are 3 in numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 square. So 3 square means 9. So here we have been asked to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So 49 equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay. All these are what? All these are odd numbers. Students, we must follow the particular thing that only writing the odd number is not enough. Like you cannot write 1 plus 5 plus 9. Okay. It must be consecutive odd numbers. Did you get that? So consecutive odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. If we add them up, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 11, 36, 36 plus 3, 13 is 49. How many numbers there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is square. 7 square means 49. And by adding them also we are getting 49. Another method is diagonal method. Okay. I have taken the same number 72 and we are doing a square of that by diagonal method. So 72 square, that means 7 2. We are making a square, giving this, and this is the diagonals. How many squares we have formed here? 1 2 3 4. Okay, and in each of the square we have drawn the diagonals. So how can we multiply here? 7 7 ja 49. So 49. So 4 here, 9 here. 7 7 ja 7, 7 ja 49 here. Now again, what is here? 2. So 2 7 ja. Okay, 2 7 ja 14. So 14 means 1 and 4. So this is already multiplied. Now, what are the leftovers here? Now, this 72 will be multiplied with 2, 1 by 1. So, 7 2 ja 14. So, 1 here, 4 here. 2 2 ja 4. So, 2 to the 4, you need to convert it into two places. So, 4 should not be written barely, it should not be written. It should be written as 0 4. Okay. Okay, students. Now, how can we calculate? This is 4 4 I am writing here. Okay, now 4 plus 0 plus 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 4 8, so 8 can be written here. Now here, along the diagonal you need to add them up. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 1 11, so 11, 1 carry in your hand 1, so 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is the way to find out the square of any natural number by using the diagonal method. Okay, students. Further, yes, this is important. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 16 and 15. Students, Pythagorean triplet, Pythagoras term you have heard before? Okay, good. And very famous Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. Okay. So, similarly, there are three triplets. One is called n square plus 1, n is 2, 2n and n square minus 1. So this is the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So whatsoever number is given, suppose here we are having 16. You can see it is 16. So 16 can be equated, okay, to one of these three. So we can write 2n equal to 16. So n equal to 16 by 2, that means 8. Alright. So n is 8. So we can find out the other two. N square plus 1, that means 8 square plus 1, that means 64 plus 1, that means 65. Another one is n square minus 1, that means 8 square minus 1, which is equal to 64 minus 1, that means 63. So what are the Pythagorean triplets here for 16? Okay, we will say that 65, 16 and 63. Okay, on the other hand, the other question is 15. The another question is 15. So 2n equal to 15 we should not write. Okay, why? Because it cannot be divided completely, it will be converted into decimal or fractions. So better you have to check whether which one should we pick. So we are picking here n square minus 1 equal to 15. So n square gives you 15 plus 1, that means 16. So n square equal to 16 is the square of 4, right? So we can write n equal to 4. Okay. So n square minus 1, by the help of n square minus 1 we have found out the n. You can use any of these three for finding the n. Okay. So n square minus 1 already we have equated with 15. So what are the leftovers? 2n. So 2n means 2 into 4, that means 8. And what is the other one? N square plus 1, that means 4 square plus 1 equal to 16 plus 1, 17. So what is Pythagorean triplet you are having here? We will say 17, 15 and 8.